with your paper covering the whole table, we're gonna do something called blind contour drawing. And that is where you draw something without looking at your paper, right? Contour meaning line or the outline of something, blind meaning you're not looking at it. So the purpose of this is not for anything to look real, right? We just did a project where we were trying to make it look real. Now you're trying to observe the person across from you or the people at your table, but you're not allowed to look at your paper. So this means that your project is your drawing is not gonna look real. It's supposed to look weird. It's supposed to look strange. It's supposed to look like a blob. It's supposed to look like a small child did it, okay? And that's the fun in it. So we're gonna use colored Sharpies for this. Everyone at your table, your big table's using the same paper because your whole table's covered. So you're gonna pick a color. You're gonna pick someone sitting at your table and you're gonna draw them, but you cannot look at your paper. So I'm gonna do this, looking at the person across from me, and you're gonna draw them, not looking at your paper. And I'm gonna also try not to pick my pen up. So it's just like one continuous line. Trying to do my glasses. And I'm looking at the shape of my nose. And I'm gonna do my mouth and my chin, and I've got my eyes and eyebrows and hair. I've got a braid today. I'm not looking at that. Ta-da! Now you can see up close the drawing that I did of myself, right? It looks completely crazy. Doesn't really look human. It looks very weird, especially with how big my lips are. It doesn't look real, right? We're starting to get into abstract, which you guys have all heard before. So once you do one, right? So now I'm gonna pick a different colored Sharpie and I'm gonna pick a different person at my table. And I'm not moving seats, I'm staying in my same space. Maybe I'll draw someone smaller this time. I'll draw someone bigger, but right in my same space, I'm gonna try and draw another person. Oh dear. Huh. All right. So you guys, because there's a whole bunch of you doing this, your whole table's going to be covered in these, and they're going to be overlapping, and you're going to have all of these colors, and it's going to look so, so cool. If you have extra time with your table working together, start using different colors. You can go in and you can start adding patterns into each little shape. You could color the teeny tiny ones in. So maybe I find a teeny tiny shape and I'm gonna color it in. Start going in, and I'm not doing the whole thing. I'm not thinking about it as a face anymore. I'm thinking it as small shapes. And you can add patterns with different colors. Fill it in. It's like you're creating an abstract work of art with your whole table.